If the time has come for you to remortgage or buy a new home, then you might just be asking yourself, do I go for a fixed rate mortgage or a variable rate mortgage? Well, first of all, you need to understand the difference between the two. So let's start with the fixed rate mortgage. Quite self-explanatory. You'll be tied into a mortgage deal, typically 2 or 3 or 5 years, and within this initial period, as it's known, you will have a fixed rate, meaning that month on month, your mortgage payment will remain exactly the same. With a variable rate mortgage, it's important to understand that there are more than one type of variable rate mortgage. You could just be on the lender's own standard variable rate, and if the lender decides to increase or decrease its own standard variable rate, then your mortgage payment again will increase or decrease. You may have a discounted rate mortgage. Now again, this is linked to the lender's own standard variable rate, and your mortgage rate, your personal rate, will be a set percentage below the lender's standard variable rate throughout the initial period. And then we move on to tracker rates. So this is linked to the Bank of England base rate, so it's slightly different. For example, if your rate for the 2, 3 or 5 year period was 1% above the Bank of England base rate, then you will know exactly what your mortgage payment will be to begin with. But if the Bank of England base rate increased or decreased, then again, in line with this, so will your monthly mortgage payment. So which is right for you? Well, as you can imagine, with your variable rate mortgages, there's every possibility that you could end up paying less than if you'd gone for a fixed rate mortgage. However, you have to weigh that up with the fact that again, it could increase too, and it could increase to something that is unaffordable to you. So you need to have a really good think about what your budgets might be and how far you are prepared to go if your variable rate mortgage was to increase. If you are uncomfortable with the thought of your monthly mortgage payment changing throughout the initial period, then it could just be that a fixed rate is better suited to you. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch, visit our website or give us a call today.